Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a terminal and verifying your shell, because knowing bash versus zsh changes configuration files. Next, run a package list update so software installs reliably. For Debian-based systems, use sudo apt update. For Fedora, use sudo dnf check update. Once done, create a working directory with mkdir p_projects and cd into it so your files stay organized. Make sure to use lsla to inspect permissions early, since ownership and exec bits often cause later confusion. You now move into the core workflows. Copy, move, and remove files carefully with cp, mv, and rmi when you want a safeguard. For inspecting text, use cat for short files, less for paging, and grep to find patterns. Combine them with pipes like ps-awk grep engine x. When automating, awk and sed transform columns and lines efficiently. Once you edit, set permissions with chmod and chown to avoid execution or access errors. Knowing why each bit exists prevents accidental exposure. You finish by securing access and ensuring services run. Set up SSH keys with SSH keygen so you avoid password prompts, then connect using SSH user at host. For services, check systemctl status and inspect logs with journoctl uservice to diagnose failures and restart when appropriate. Backup important data with tar czf and verify archives because rollbacks save time. If a command fails, rerun with sudo when permission is the issue, and check error output for missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.